are here in the bedroom with the brand new Bi-Cold smart mirror that we are about to unbox. Should come on when we do this. And we just have to put a hole right here. All right, this is the new puck light to replace the one that is there. We are back and we finally got our replacement smart mirror and we are ready to go ahead and hang this. So what we're going to do right here and right now is bring this mirror in here and hopefully not drop it because the other one was broken. And I have set a towel on here for this. Yes, this is a two-person job handling with one person, which is not good. And then the last thing we'll do is the peel sat. Oh, yep. Don't do that. Thought I broke it again. So this thing is pretty much ready to go. We have to run the wires through the wall. Just like that. And then we also have our LED strip connection power right here as well. So all we have to do right here, right now, is pull this wire through, connect it to. So once this is up, we can then pull our cords through. All right. So this is the hard part. It's kind of heavy. Yeah. We need all this stuff off of here. One side. Is it off? Two side. Now, if the mirror is not level, we can maybe fiddle with it a little bit, but that mirror is hung. Let's go get our level. Looks pretty good. We got our level. Let's see how good we are. Oh, it's way off. How is it so off? Does not make sense, but this side needs to come up, or this side needs to come down. I loosened the screw a little bit more. It's still off. I'm gonna put some stuff on this tape, on this screw, to try to get this to come up, because it's off, and I don't know how it's that far off, but it's like 1/4 of an inch off. Perfect. Fixed. Fixed. Yeah, dog. Let's go. All right guys, we are here in the bathroom and the footage of this speaker install got lost, but after you saw me come through the ceiling with those, I put the templates up there and cut the holes. We already had wire from this bedroom for the speakers that are now used for the home theater, so we had to use those for this because we're out of spaces on the Supercar Street Racing switcher right here for audio. But as you can see, we have YouTube no copyright audio playing on these brand new speakers. There will be a link in the description to these so you can pick some up for yourself. But yeah, it came out really good. Sounds awesome in here now. Never had audio in this bathroom before, but I have it in the other bathroom. So I went ahead and added it in here. And these are pretty nice speakers. They're about 50 bucks each, and they're 8-inch dual. So they have like a tweeter and a woofer inside of them. But yeah, it came out really good, really clean looking. Just have to touch up one little space right there where I made a mistake. All right, we're in the middle of the peel set. Actually, really hard to peel. They make you work for the sat. And there is the mirror peeled with the sat. And now let me walk around the corner and plug it in while you guys watch. Gotta be smarter than the plug, I guess. It is plugged in. And I'm pulling all the slack on the power. All right, now all we have to do is open the app and get this thing going. We have the Wise Mirror app going in right now. That is the app that you need to control the mirror. And let's see if the light works on the mirror. It does, very cool. So this has a built-in white light, but we added a Govee LED strip, which we have not even initialized yet. So we made it easy to get to the strip back here so we can push the button. And I believe the mirror has two switches. Has a switch for warm and cold, maybe not. Yep, there's the warm. So we gotta click add. And then we gotta find the, oh, I'm not on Wi-Fi. Okay, we gotta connect to Wi-Fi, find the mirror, and set it up. And I'm gonna go ahead and connect to the 2.4 gig network. Okay, it wants us to allow Bluetooth, and it says press this if you have a join, or if you have a scan, but ours says join. All right, looks like we found the clock. And it needs to be set up, so we got to go to the settings. We don't want the 24-hour clock. Day, month, 1210. Celsius, no. High brightness, yes. We have that on already. Basically, we are set up. We have to put our, it already knows our location. Cool. Night mode. Nope, we don't need night mode. Firmware. Got the latest firmware. And that is it. This guy is set up, and now we have to set up the Govee LED strip. So let's go to the Govee app. And we're gonna go back out and hit the plus button. And it did find it, and I'm clicking add. It wants me to hit the button in the back, so that's why I put it where I could get to it. I'm connecting the LED smart strip to Wi-Fi as we speak. Our mirror is connected to Wi-Fi, and now it is connecting via Bluetooth. And I don't think it needs a firmware update. Oh, there it is. It is going to update the firmware. We're going to go ahead and let it do that now. All right, guys, we have the RGBIC LEDs from Govee paired to the app, and it is doing its thing now. And you can see we have a scene set up, and then when we want white light, all we have to do is push that, and we can get white light. Now, the next thing we have to do is hang our towel rack, and it is going to go right about here. We got to get some drywall inserts, and we're going to hang that guy right up there. But yeah, the mirror looks awesome. We got the smart going here with the temperature and the time and the weather, and this project looks crazy good. we need to go ahead and get our towel rack mounted as a final step here. I do not like how high the mirror is, I'll be honest. I think I mounted it way too high, but I'm gonna leave it like that just for effect. I do like the way the lights flow down there. But the towel rack is going to sit right here somewhere. So I'm just going to put the thing in the wall, you know, somewhere right there. And I do have one of these things that you kind of hammer in and then you turn with a drill. So I'm going to grab the hammer real quick. Maybe I can just screw it in like this. It's in there. This part you need the level. I'm gonna go grab the level real quick. Could not find another type of insert like that, believe it or not. I do have 1,000 of these, but yeah, looks level. Now this is the tricky part. Might be too big. No, it's kind of perfect. All right, number 2 going in, hopefully. Looks tight to me. Now we need our small screwdriver because this has a set screw at the bottom, and you just simply put this over it and tighten up the set screw. These things tend to come loose, which I hate. And we got our towel right here, ready to go. All fresh and washed. So it will be just like this. And this bathroom is finished.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
Alright guys, welcome back to this SCSR guest bathroom, and I want to turn the lights up a little bit for you guys first so we just have better lighting. But we are all done with this project and we're so happy that you stood around and watched us do this, and we love doing things like this. This bathroom is such a big improvement now. I'm going to turn the camera around and give you a tour of the bathroom and then turn the lights down a little bit so you can see exactly what we did. Alright guys, we are in the SCSR guest bathroom that is finished, and let's move from this side to this side. The only thing that we're really going to do after this point is replace this switch with a smart switch. That way when we hit the button it comes on at a certain dim level instead of the slider. But if we dim the lights down here, we can still show you what we have done here. Now, from here to here, what we did was we tapped into the power, and we did get power for our Echo Show 5, and we wall mounted our Echo Show 5 right there. It was just sitting on the shelf. Up here in this area where we store all of our toothpaste and those kind of items, we did replace the old ancient puck light with a new LED puck light. and that is a much better option. It doesn't get hot or anything like that. That's all we did to this area. And then moving this way, we have the bi-cold smart mirror here, as you can see. Now it might be flickering, but that's just the frame rate of the camera. And if you notice behind the bi-cold mirror, we do have the LED Govee RGBIC strip, which is connected to Wi-Fi and can be changed and programmed to whatever sort of scene or colors that you want. And then moving up here, we have the LED light, and I will get the name and the link in the description of the video if you guys like that as well. And basically it is a dimmable warm white LED light, and if we go all the way down, then you guys can see the RGB LED Govee backlit doing its best to look beautiful. Now if you want the built-in light, remember this mirror does not come like this with RGB, this is my creation. If you want the built-in light, you press this button and then you do get a white outline, and you can control the Govee LED strip from the Show 5 right here. So let's turn that light back off and turn this back on and step back with the lights on. Now we did also paint the entire bathroom when we did this, so that was a little bit of an effort that I didn't know I had to do. So moving around here, you can see our new paint color is a pretty cool color. I did enjoy looking at this color after I got it on the wall. Now moving up to the top, we have our 8-inch in-ceiling speakers as well, and I do need to touch up the ceiling just a bit right there. The ceiling, if you even touch it, it goes scuffed, and the paint did come off when I pulled the tape off the ceiling, but I have touch-up paint for that. So that completes it. We have the in-ceiling speakers, which are part of the whole home audio, rounding off the bathroom here, and I hope you guys like this series. I like doing it. We're gonna do more stuff like this. I mean, I like doing this all over the house. So stay tuned. Thanks for liking and subscribing, and we'll see you guys on the next one.